Hey guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. Look what I got for you today. 1965 K-Code Mustang. Man, she is sweet. This baby's been on the rotisserie. Unfortunately, the motor in the car is not an original K-Code block, but it does retain a lot of its K-Code parts. And we're gonna list all of that in the ad, plus we're gonna talk about it when we get under the hood here later. As you can see, the restoration on it is over the top. All the chrome's looking good. That grill is looking good. She is a beauty, man. Now, unlike a lot of dealers, this baby's going up on the rack so we can show you just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna get the hood up. We're gonna show you under there. We're gonna go through all the parts that are K-Code still on the car and the parts that are not K-Code still on the car. So we're gonna tell you everything you need to know so you can make a great decision on this Mustang. This is the little piece of history right here, an original K-Code Mustang. Very well preserved throughout the years. As you can see, that door panel's looking sweet, the carpeting's looking sweet, the steering wheel, the shifter in there in the center console, the upholstery on the seats, the fold-down back seat. See, she all folds down, looking sweet back there. Headliner's looking good. All the metal back there is all nicely painted. And the dash is in beautiful shape. We got the rally pack there on the steering column looking sweet. All the chrome on the dash is also looking sweet. This thing is ready to go out on the racetrack, baby. Just like back in the day, all Ken Miles and Carroll Shelby out there racing these babies. Have some fun. You can see the chrome out back also looking good. The fuel fill, the tips coming out of the lower valance. Tell you what, back in the day, you were king if you had one of these. Now, one of the things that was happening, looks like we got some speakers back here in the trunk. Back in the day, you could rent one of these. They called it Rent-A-Racer. But a lot of guys would rent those K-Codes and pull the motor out and swap it with the motor they had in their Mustang, so they'd return it to the rental car agency with just a regular old 289 in it. They caught on to that real quick. Started checking the numbers. It's got great looking wheels on it, the red line tires. She is a sweetheart, guys. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment whatsoever, so we purchase every one of our vehicles and they are owned by Vanguard. The first thing that happens to every car once they get here is they go up on the rack, they get inspected, we do a list to decide what we're going to do, any improvements we're going to do to the car, and that way we can answer any question you have about the car. So call Tom. All right, it's K-Code time, baby. Can you imagine being Ken Miles behind the seat of this baby? Probably one of the most iconic Mustangs on the planet right here. 65 K-Code. Now, a lot of these did not make it. A lot of guys raced these things, wrecked these things, cut them up, did whatever they did to take them out on the racetrack and win. So to find one in this kind of condition is very, very rare. Now, we can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Tell you what, Mr. Shelby knew what he was doing when he was helping those guys develop these babies. Get around the corner here, we'll take a nice close look at the dash. We'd love to have you come in and check it out in person. We're right near the airport, so if you're far enough away you need to fly in, we'd love to have you. As you can see, all the gauges look like they're working, the tach's working, the fuel gauge, speedo, the amp gauge. Now we do have an aftermarket radio in here because I don't think they had FM radio back in '65. Of course, the center console looking good, our 4-speed hooked up to that top loader. Around the corner here, like getting in the straightaway here. Here we go. It's one sweet automobile right here, guys. Got a little piece of history. Now we're going to go back to the shop where we're going to put this baby up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. And the bottom side is nice, guys. Just wait till you see it. Restoration on it is off the hook. And you can tell they started with a good car when they did the restoration. Now here we are at 15100 Keel Street. And we're going to put this baby up in the air and we're going to tell you all about the mechanics of the car right now. All right, we're underneath this K-code now, and it is just as pretty underneath. As you can see, the gas tank looks like it's pretty new. So does that exhaust system. Looking sweet. Now, we also have a painted bottom on this car, so it's definitely been on the rotisserie and all painted up. Now, the rear end housing is kind of unique for a K-code. Normally, these would have been 8-inch housings. Well, you can tell by the tapered tubes here. They taper up and go into a 9-inch housing. We got right around a 355 gear in there, and it is posi. Now on the brakes, the guys here at the shop will pull the brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order, and that they're installed correctly. It is a drum brake on the back. If I haven't already mentioned, the shocks here look like they're fairly new. We got a good looking set of mufflers on here. These may even be stainless steel. You can see the paint job on the floorboards here just looking absolutely gorgeous. Looks like we got a paint job on the drive shaft to make it look like bare metal. We also have a new brake line and fuel line going front to back. We got a crossover here. We got the top loader trans, which is very similar to what would have came in this thing originally. It is a 64 model trans, so it's possible it could have been the original trans, but we have no way of telling for sure. It is a close ratio trans too. We do have stock appearing clutch linkage here also. Now we had the pan down on this thing and found out that the block, it looks like at one time it had a short block put in it, so it does not have the correct rods, and it does not have the K-code crank in it either. Everything under here is nice and clean. Looks like the radius arm bushings are looking good. The lower control arms look like they've been replaced. We do have disc brakes up front here. It's got the sway bar up front. We got good looking wheels and tires on it also. Those style steel wheels are looking good. We got the BFG red lines. And if I could see the size there, it is 205/70 14s. As you work your way down the side here, you can see the nice paint job on the floor. You can see the nice pinch weld. This pinch weld is all original, looking sweet. Bottom side of the rockers also nice and clean, looking sweet. Out back here, we got the same good looking style steel wheel and more than likely the same size tire. Yep, 205/70 14s. Well, let's lower this baby down and look under the hood. All right, under the hood, she is looking sweet, man. All cleaned up, looking ready to go to the show. We do have the VIN stamped in here. It says K-code on there. We do have the correct exhaust manifolds on there too. This has got the Cobra dual plane intake. This has also got the hypo balancer down there. It's got the hypo carb on it, the 600 CFM. We do believe that carb is correct for the K-code also. It is a solid lifter cam. The distributor's correct. We got ARP rods in this baby. It is a 66/289 block. I mean, she is beautiful, man. We've got all the Ford markings here on the hoses. The radiator looks correct for this year. The inner wheelhouses, the firewall, everything looking sweet. She is pretty under here. Then I like those Cobra valve covers too, all aluminum looking good. And we do have the Autolite top on the battery to make it look like the original battery, which is very cool. This is actually a shut off that we add so you can shut it off whenever you're not using it. It does have the big pulley on the alternator. It is stamped Autolite on the alternator also. Man, this thing is sweet, guys. She's a real K code. She's got a lot of K code parts under the hood. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.